name is Pam. I am from Saskatchewan, Canada, and I am 4 weeks post-op from OI surgery here in Sydney, Australia. In 2022, I went in for a knee replacement surgery. I ended up having right leg above knee amputation. After my healing process, I was fitted with a silicone sleeve that went over my amputated leg, and I found it really constricting. And then, of course, over that went the fiberglass cast, which also irritated me, didn't fit properly, was loose. We couldn't seem to get me walking properly with it. There was always, some adjustment or a trip or toe drag, and they tried everything. And because I'm so short, they couldn't cut down the components anymore. So we really struggled with that. I started researching, looking for better answers for, maybe different types of sockets or different types of prosthetic legs. I was looking for any solution out there. And that's when I found Osseointegration. It was being done in Montreal, Canada, which I was totally excited about. So I got all my doctor referrals and everything, and we went to Montreal, and we were refused. They didn't even really give us a very good, I guess I shouldn't say that, but anyways, things didn't work out. They said I was too new of an amputee. So I was pretty devastated, but I didn't give up. I started looking, I broadened my search, so to say. I started looking, at other locations, possibly in, the United States or wherever it be. And I found the International Orthopedic Group, and I contacted them. I thought, I'm probably not going to hear back, but, if I don't try, if I don't at least try, I won't know. So I was totally excited at the feedback that I got back within minutes of putting my name out there. And I got in touch with the liaison and meted with, and we took it from there. We started our journey. We did my pain specialist and psychologist via Zoom, which was fantastic. It meant one less thing that we would have to worry about when we got there, and whether we needed a kind of definite answer, whether I was a good candidate or not. Thankfully, I was. I feel like I've been given back what I lost. When I would put the sleeve and the socket on, I would cry, because the minute I put it on, it constricted what little movement I had left. With the OI, it seems like I've been given back my feeling, my leg, my limb. It seems like I can have back that part of me that felt lost. I can get up and go. I don't have to use a wheelchair. I don't have to try and struggle putting on the socket and then this fiberglass casting over it and worry whether I'm gonna fall with it or not, because that did happen. It fell off somehow or other, and with this, I can snap on and I'm gone. And that feeling that I can stand up again, And it feels
Yeah.
like I'm standing, not some piece of plastic. I just can't explain the freedom it's given me, the feeling. When they did the knee surgery, obviously, and they ended up doing a fasciotomy. I was in surgery for 3 times for a total of 16 hours. I was intubated 5 times. They damaged my vocal cords, unfortunately, but so that's why I'm drinking constantly. Um, so after that, I was for 2 months with an fasciotomy and the hospital, and they did back dressings every second day, which was excruciating. And then in December, they found out that my knee was necrotic, and that's when they amputated. I was also in medical coma for 11 days after the surgery. So I've gone through so much. And with the socket, it felt like it weighed down, it dragged me down. And now I feel like I'm back up again. I can breathe. It's so emotionally and physically open to freedom.